Have you ever heard a strange noise in the woods at night, or seen something unexplainable lurking in the shadows? For centuries, people have told stories of mysterious creatures, from the towering Bigfoot in the American wilderness to the elusive Loch Ness Monster in the Scottish Highlands. These are cryptids, animals whose existence is unproven by science. This fascination has created two distinct camps: the believers, who are convinced these creatures are real, and the scientists, who demand hard evidence. So, who's right? Let's dive into the fascinating world of cryptozoology. Cryptid believers often rely on eyewitness accounts, blurry photos, and plaster casts of large, unidentifiable footprints. For them, the sheer volume of these stories from different people across different times is compelling. Think about it. Thousands of people claim to have seen Bigfoot. Are they all mistaken or lying? Believers would argue that the consistency in the descriptions, a tall, ape-like creature covered in hair, suggests there's a real animal behind the myth. They also point to history. Animals that were once considered myths, like the giant squid or the okapi, were eventually discovered and confirmed by science. Believers see cryptids as the next big discovery, just waiting to be found. For scientists, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. A blurry photo or a personal story just doesn't cut it. They need a body, a clear DNA sample, or a living specimen, something that can be studied, tested, and verified by other scientists. They argue that many sightings can be explained by misidentification. That Bigfoot you saw could have been a bear walking on its hind legs. That Nessie photo might just be a log, a wave, or even a clever hoax. Scientists also bring up the biological challenges. For a creature like Bigfoot to exist, there can't be just one. There would need to be a breeding population, hundreds or even thousands of them, to avoid extinction. So where are they hiding? And what are they eating? A population of giant apes would leave a huge environmental footprint: broken branches, nests, and a lot of droppings, none of which have ever been found in a scientifically verifiable way. But here's where it gets interesting. The two sides aren't always completely at odds. Some scientists are actually open to the possibility of undiscovered species. They might not be looking for Bigfoot, but they are exploring remote jungles and deep oceans, constantly finding new forms of life. DNA technology has also become a game changer. In 2014, a geneticist analyzed hair samples said to be from Bigfoot and the Yeti. The results most belong to known animals like bears, wolves, and cows. However, a couple of samples didn't match any known species perfectly, suggesting there's still more to learn about the animal kingdom. This shows how science can be used to investigate these mysteries rather than just dismiss them. So, where does that leave us? Are cryptids real, or just a product of our imagination? The truth is, we don't know for sure. The believers keep the mystery and wonder alive, pushing us to look closer at the world around us. The scientists provide the tools and methods to separate fact from fiction. Perhaps the real magic isn't in finding a monster, but in the thrill of the search itself. If human desire to explore the unknown and ask, what if? Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, you have to admit, the world is a more exciting place with a few mysteries left to solve. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the unexplained.